Hello, welcome. Now, in this hands-on video, we're going to talk a little deeper about what you're going to do to create an affiliate promotion for the product that you're doing. And I'm actually going to go into my page builder. Now, again, um, you don't necessarily want to get caught into thinking that your page builder is everything. So the page builder is not the point here. The point here is that you're going to need to create a bonus page. And I'm going to go into my page creator. And we're just going to go and we're going to pick a simple template. And I'll tell you why that is. Because what you're going to try to do here is you are going to try to you're basically going to try to make sure that your customer understands the value that they're going to be getting from you, right? So here's a very simple page template. And so we have a headline, we have a sales video or a bonus video, and then we're going to have the bullet points. Now, there are a couple of things you're going to be able to do with any bonus page or any landing page template. Notice I use an opt-in page template. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to get rid of this down here. We're going to get rid of all that noise down there. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in a headline, right? So you'll notice that you've got a pre-headline here. We don't have to have that for a bonus page. And we can actually use another color. Now, light blue tends not to be one that's going to generate excitement. Blue does generate trust, not excitement. So we can go in, we can actually change this, or we can change this to a color that we want, whatever we feel comfortable with, right? So whatever you want to do, you can actually change that. You can use black. You just want to communicate, that you're trustworthy here. And then there's your headline. And so what we also want to do is we want to do some kind of graphical representation of the bonus that we're getting, right? So that we're going to give the customer. Now we can do that above the video or we can do that below the video. It really doesn't matter. In this case, we want people to see the video that we're going to be adding or the bonus we're adding right away. So let's go ahead and just add. I'm going to just add a graphical representation here. It really doesn't matter which one. You will just add in the image for the bonus that you're going to be adding, right? I'm just going to pick one that I had here before, and we're just going to add that in. Right, that's probably going to be too big. I'm going to size that down. I'm going to size that down by maybe. Let's size that way down. Okay, that's probably too small. That's probably too small. So we're going to size this down. Or maybe we'll go with half the size. Okay, so that's the first thing we're going to see. Now we could probably pull this below that. If we want people to watch our video first, that would be fine. So let's just for the sake of this, we're just gonna drag this below the video, and we're gonna do that because we want people to click on the button, but we want them to see the graphical representation after they view the video, if they choose to view the video, right? So we're going to add in a button here. The button is where we're going to add in our affiliate link. And we're just going to click save and continue. Okay, so now you've got the graphical representation. They're going to see it before they click the affiliate link button. And one of the reasons why you want to create a bonus page is, first of all, when you're sending out an email, you want to send out an email with your bonus page and not with either the Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank link, because those links are probably going to get you put in the spam folder. So I would not send out a naked JVZoo or Warrior Plus or any kind of affiliate platform link. They get spammed to death. So the inboxes of Google and Microsoft are now going to layers deep. And so you might find that if you put a JVZoo link in there in a link cloaker, that it's still going to go to spam because now the email boxes are reading those pages one link deep. So I would go ahead and just send people to a bonus page rather than send them to a naked link. Okay, so now you have a couple of other elements. Now right here, you're going to have a bonus video. And that bonus video, you can either do a demo or you can do something where people are going to find out what kind of value they're going to be getting from the actual product. Okay, and so you are basically going to be pre-selling them in this video. Now, if the sales page does a great job of selling, then that's great, but you know your customers better than the vendor does. You do an affiliate promotion, you're going to be selling to your customers based on your experience. So this is where you can do a video on social proof and then add it to this page. In this area, you're going to add in a basic benefit, right? And then in this area, you're going to add in 3 benefits. You don't necessarily want to add in things about the product. They're going to see that on the sales page. So again, very simple. This video should autoplay. Now, inside of this page builder, inside of most page builders, you're going to be able to make sure your video auto plays, right? So you go and you upload your video to YouTube. We go and get that. Let's see, we just go and get one here. Here's a YouTube music one. It's kind of cool. Copy that. We're going to put that in our URL. And then what we're going to do is we're going to autoplay it. We can hide the controls and then we can hide the YouTube label. I don't like to show the title bar, so we're just going to click that one. And so we have a bonus page, right? So our affiliate promotion is really going to be based on our video where we're going to pre-sell them. It's going to autoplay. Now we want to give the buyer the opportunity to stop this video. So this copy is going to be pretty important. It needs to be short and it needs to talk about the benefits of what people are actually going to be getting if they decide to go ahead and click through. All you're trying to do at this point is you're trying to make a connection to what they're going to get and then clicking through to the next page. Right, that's why I put continue here. Now you can try a number and test a number of different things on the button to figure out what you want to use. Now again, this is my page builder, but any of the page builders are going to have pretty much the same thing. Okay, so that's pretty much what you want to try to accomplish in your bonus page when you are sending people to your affiliate promotion. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.